Hi, it's Jesse Zeman, Executive Director of BC Wildlife Federation. As we approach the holiday season, just want to send a thanks out to all of our members, volunteers, and donors who have helped support fish, wildlife, habitat conservation in British Columbia and the activities we love like camping, hunting, angling, backpacking, and sports shooting. I want to remind everyone as well that you can give the gift of a BCWF membership. There are a number of benefits to joining the BCWF or buying a membership for someone else. The biggest one is they're joining the largest conservation organization in British Columbia. We spend a pile of time supporting conservation issues, angling, hunting, and sports shooting. We have a number of on-the-ground restoration projects and science projects, such as our wetlands program, our Southern Interior Mule Deer project, and the controlled burn project that we're working on. From all of us here at the BCWF, we'd like to wish you an amazing holiday season with your loved ones and all the best in 2023. Thanks.